Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my previous video, I show you that how to modeling of the drainage system of the soil pipe. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to continue and we'll do the modeling of waste pipe. Okay, here we will do the modeling of the waste pipe. It is similar to the drainage system of the soil pipe, but we will continue. Okay, so see here the AutoCAD, here this is the AutoCAD. Okay, drawing, it's showing too much bright. Okay, so when we will draw, it will be confusion. It's depend on the modeler. Okay, how he comforts. Okay, also this one, see, this pipe is under slab, but it's showing from the above. Okay, so we will select the AutoCAD layout. Okay, here the AutoCAD layout, and make it here background. Okay, again here. Okay, so now it is on background. Okay, see, if you want to make this one AutoCAD half tone, okay, so that whatever the services we will draw, it will show the clear things. Okay, so we will make double V here, imported categories, and make it half tone. Okay, the drawing layout we make the half tone. See, now it's half tone, so when we will draw, it will show our system clearly. Okay, also here is cutout. Okay, now select here and press the tab button. Okay, tab, and see the properties. Here it's showing drainage outlet cover floor drain, right? Also here, see, this one is showing RC slab. Okay, in previous video we already did the modeling of the system. Okay, this is the soil pipe modeling, right? And this is the waste pipe cutout. Okay, here this is the, okay, this is the, all this is the cutout of the building, right, to pass the our waste pipe system, this one. Okay, so here we will place one connector. Okay, so that our drainage fixer unit, DFU, will be fixed here. Okay, drainage fixer unit, what's it? Yes, we called FD, floor drain. Okay, so here we will place here. Okay, here already it placed in the AutoCAD layout. Okay, but our cutout is here, so we will place here one connector. Okay, so placing the connector, we will here no, here plumbing fixture, and what is sanitary. So here we will select the sanitary. What is the size of this pipe? This pipe size is 75. Okay, so 37.5. okay, means yes, half radius, and we will place here, place on work plane. Okay, this work plane we are working, so we will place here, but here we will not place. Okay, because our cutout, real cutout is here, so we will place here, right? See, here we place in 3D. When we will see, we place clearly in the middle of the cutout here, right? So it's good. Now we can pass our pipes. Okay, so we also make one section here. Okay, see, don't skip the video, okay, because all this point is very important. If you will skip, then you cannot get the exact things. Okay, I can modeling as fast as I can, but you have to understand, okay, that from where, if any issue is coming, then how we can solve, right? So that you can model anything. See, here I place our flow drain here. Okay, we can say connector, we place the connector. Okay, but here the work plane is above. Okay, here pipe we can draw above, but our pipe will come from the below this slab, then under the slab it will go, right? So we will make here flip. Now we can draw our pipe backside. Okay, so this is the point you have to understand. Okay, here. Okay, so we can copy this one, copy from this point and place everywhere, here, here. Okay, wherever the required. Okay, only this bathroom. So now we will draw our pipe. Firstly we will fix our fixer. Okay, it's called connector, and then we will start the draw our pipe. But see, if we will draw the pipe from here, okay, so we can draw from here will be upside and it will be down, it will go like this, right? But from here if we will need to connect, then it will be some difficulties. Okay, again we have to connect here. So any point we can start, no issue, but always better to start from the lowest point. Okay, see all arrow, see the arrow of the AutoCAD layout, all the arrow is going this side. Okay, it means here it will be upside and this side will be downside. Then water will come from here and go out of the building from this point, right? From this point, so this point is the lowest point of the pipe, right? So we can start from the here. We will take the pipe, PVC pipe, right? Okay, good. Soil pipe, no, it is waste pipe, but here is no any waste pipe, so we will create. Okay, we will come here, see the waste pipe color is green. So here pipe system, here is the sanitary, anyone we can take, rename waste pipe, right? And type properties green. Okay, solid, and abbreviation we can make waste pipe, right? So that we will, when we will tag, then it will show waste pipe. Now create. we can close family, and again we will select the pipe, PVC pipe, here soil. So where is the waste pipe? Here, this one, right? And what is the size of this waste pipe? See, the waste pipe size is 110. Okay, so I already showed you all that how to create the pipe sizes. Okay, but right now I am not going to show you. Here, if 110 is not available, we can take 125. Okay, nice one. And from the lowest point we will start from here. So here, then we will go from this side, then it will be up, this side will be up. Okay, so up, and slope is 1% we are taking, right? And we will draw, see it's showing up to here much. Okay, we draw already. Now this one is the this pipe size is 75, but before that, if we will make this one section so that the elevation will be clear. Okay, because now this pipe we simply draw, we don't know the elevation. Okay, but here it's showing that waste pipe is underground, right? And the floor which we are making the modeling is the ground floor, so below ground floor we have to draw. Okay, but now elevation is the here minus 658, right? But again we have to check. How we will check? We can make the section here, anywhere. Sure. Okay, here go to elevation, and here it's not showing here. Okay, our waste pipe is here and this pipe is here, so if we will continue to draw, then it will collide with the beam here. Okay, so we will make this one downside. We can make downside here. Okay, or same elevation we can take, but we have enough space, right? Here is the foundation. Okay, here is the ground floor. See, this is the ground floor. Why it's showing double ground floor? Because one is the link. Okay, the structure and Revit, when we link, that elevation is also showing. We will show you how to remove this one, because in coordination we will do and making the sheet. Okay, then that time we have to set all these things and make the annotation, all the things, that's why. Okay, so here already I set. Now from here to here, what is the, see, 854. Okay, if we come here, also one time we can check from this side also. Okay, we have to clear, okay, all the things, not only draw the pipe and it will show the modeling. We have to make sure, because this is the soft drawing. Okay, see, our pipe is here, it will not collide with the slab here, not collide with the slab, so it's fine, right? See, now it's fine, it will be fine, right? So now no need this elevation, we will delete. and this one also no need, so I delete, right? Now here we will select the create similar and inherit elevation. Okay, we will take the inherit elevation so that the same elevation will be maintained. Okay, but this pipe size is the 75, so here is not 75, we can take 80. Okay, and here we will take right, so it's good. And here we can make the clean out, no issue. Okay, here cap, see, this is the IFC. Okay, so we can make the IFC along with IFC, no issue, so that our modeling will be neat and clean. So the family is connected in a network and can no longer. Okay, why? Because here the pipe size is very small, that's why. Okay, so if you want to make same as per IFC, so we will make. Here we can take this fitting little bit back side, and again we will try to make the same L. Okay, see, now it's clear. Okay, then again we will select and try to adjust as long as we can. Okay, now we will count the elevation from here. Okay, our pipe is here. See, one more thing, we have to check our elevation slope. 1% slope. Okay, good. This side is the upside and this arrow is showing downside. Okay, so this side is downside, so it's okay, no issue. And go to section, and here we will try to connect. Here no need slope. Okay, because this is the vertical pipe, so no need. And here this side need the downside, right? So we'll make the downside slope, and here we can make the fine same from here. Okay, align back side. Okay, back side. We can connect from here to here, but again we have to verify in the plan view, right? See, in the plan view it's not align. Okay, so again we have to align from here, right? Now we can connect easily. Here connect. Okay, see, it's connected, very good. Here is slope. See, from here it's coming here and it's connected here. Okay, in the waste pipe. Similarly, we can connect all the things. Okay, all the fixture from here. See, we'll select this pipe, create similar, inherit elevation, and same elevation we can take, but the size will be 80. We can come here, we can come here. It's not coming. Why? Because here the pipe size, this one is very small. Okay, that's why. So we can take here also and come here, and we can adjust, right? So again we have to make this one back side. And make the align here. Okay, take back side. Here is the 1043 and here is 1021. This is the downside, right? This is the upside, this is the downside. So again we will move this section and come in the section. Take this side will be downside, right? I think this one we did the mistake. We take here, it should be upside, right? But we select, I think, the wrong. Okay, so we have to delete this one, also this one, this side, and simply we will connect from here, right? And now we will take here, create similar, inherit elevation. Okay, and this side will be up, slope up. Okay, what is the size? 80. And make the 80. Okay, we can make backside and align. Align, right? And select this one and adjust as possible, as much as possible you can adjust. Okay, after that come in the elevation. See, now when you select here, see, minus 987 and here 1010. Okay, so that it's good. Here this side is the down, this side is the up. Now here the draw, and this side will be downside, right? So we'll select the downside, click. Now we can make the align from this point to this point. It's align, okay. But here we have to align, right? See, from this point to this point we have to align and simply draw, okay. It will be connect. See, this is the connect, okay. When we see in the 3D view, then it's look like this one. See, correct here, okay. Similarly we can connect this one also. So let's start. Here we already place, okay. Select the pipes, create similar, inherit, and this will be upside, and the size is the 80, and start draw, okay. Take the back side and make the align, okay. Take the back side, okay. Now you can adjust this one and go to the section to connect the connector. Here come, our connector is here, okay. See, here 75, okay. So we can connect and make here downside, right? So it will be downside. Make the align from this point to this point. Now up to the ground floor, also make the align from this point to this point. Okay, because there is no much space here, that's why it's coming the error. Now it will be connect from this point. Make the align from this point to this point, okay, and select here and connect the, okay. Come in the section and check. See, it's connected. Also check the slope 1010 and -988. Good. Here in the 3D, see, all the pipe is connected. I think here it's touching, okay, with the waste pipe clashing, okay. So we will show you how to solve in the coordination and coordination classes, okay. Coordination classes, okay. So similarly we can connect also other one, okay, other waste pipe. See, these two pipe here, these two wash basin, one pipe is coming from here here, okay, and connecting in this one wash basin, okay, and also this one. So we will place one connector here, and we will connect here, okay, and make the clean out here, okay. So I will show you in next video, because I think this video is a little bit long, 30 minutes, okay. So if you learn something from this video, then subscribe, and as well as you will do the practice, because I already give this all file in my Facebook page, and as well as uh, in my playlist of the beam modeling, okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.